Birds can fly because they have strong wings, light bones, and feathers that help them move through the air. Flying helps birds find food, escape danger, and travel far. What helps birds fly? Wings. Birds flap their wings to push air down and lift themselves up. Feathers. Feathers help birds glide and steer. Light bones. Their bones are hollow, so they're not too heavy. Strong chest muscles. These muscles move their wings up and down. Fun bird flight facts. Hummingbirds can flap their wings more than 50 times per second. Eagles can fly as high as airplanes. Some birds, like penguins and ostriches, can't fly, but they have other super skills. How is a bird like an airplane? Airplanes use wings and engines to fly, just like birds use wings and muscles. That's why airplane wings are shaped like bird wings.